From around the nation to every corner of the world, delivering the stories that matter. This is First Next News.
Can you tell us why are you protesting? Tell us. We are singing and that's why are you protesting?
We don't come home, JJ. You are my primary face.
No, tell us. Tell us. The whole world is hearing you. Just tell us.
Because of my husband's pension. They should come my husband from pension because we are suffering. From pension, please. We are begging Nigeria, please. They should put mouth for this matter. Let everything finish. Let them help us. They suffer. Our husband, they are suffering. Some of them, they are dying. What's the meaning of this? Is it only police that are serving Nigeria? Only them they are suffering. Why? Why their own is different? Why are they doing this for them? They will say they should go and do this with police. They will say this one is police. Can't they help them? Can't they remove them from this? It's not the help, it's their sweat. They should give them. Give them what belongs to them. So I don't have anything to talk again. Let Mr. President do something about this. Enough is enough for police. Thank you, sir.
Here today.
We are retired police officers. Like me, I'm a retired president of police. The reason why we are here, we are not asking for any special benefit from the government. We are asking for fair play. We are asking for justice. We are asking for equity. We are asking for impartiality. They have sidelined police. If you come to the local architecture or security architecture of the country, police is the leading force. But they have relegated police to the back. They have removed other agencies like the Army, the DSS, the Navy, the Air Force, the National Assembly, and many of them from contributory pension scheme. And they left police there. Imagine a retired police officer will be collecting 18,000 as pension in this economy. Some are collecting 25. Some are according to your rank. And their lump sum, some are collecting 1.something million, 2.something million, 3.something million. While our counterparts in other ministries, in other security agencies are collecting 30, 20, 40 million. It's a great injustice. What has Nigerian police done to this country? If we want to talk, the politicians are the highest beneficiary of police service in the country. But now, everybody kept quiet and programmed us to die in poverty after retirement. We have sacrificed all our youthful age while serving this country. Now that we have finished rendering our services, they program us to die in poverty. It's not fair, and that is why we are protesting. That the president shall give assent to our bill. The bill was passed in December last year. and passed to president. And up till today, he has not given assent to it. So that is why we are here. We are not making any problem. It's a people protest. For president to hear our voice, he's a good president who has been police friendly. But we don't know who is advising him. Whoever is misadvising him, he should not listen to them. Give assent to our bill. What is good for the goose is good for the gander. Period. That's why we are here. Thank you. God bless you.
But this is not the first time you have protested since last year. So what makes you think that today your voice will be heard?
There is a proverb in my place that if you want small people something and raise your up hand, one day your hand will pay you and will bring it down. We will not stop crying until they meet our need. Total exist is our demand. We are not asking for any option. Our option A is total exist. Our option B is total exist, and that is our demand.
Please, can you tell us your name?
My name is Jonas Ugo, a retired deputy superintendent of police.
Thank you, sir.
God bless you. I'm SP Iruka Eze Beniza Orebu, retired. Why we are here is we are appealing to the Senator Ahmed Bola Tinubu to sign the bill that over more than 103 senators have agreed that police should get out of Bangkok. We are asking Mr. President, what is the problem of the police? Why police money are trapped down and we are hungry? It's a shame to Nigeria. It's a shame to the government of the day.
We are hungry.
Look at the Ghana police and army. They should come and kill. We are waiting to die and we will die for it.
We have died.
They're the one that say we are ready unless they remove us. And they should tell the Inspector General Police. The meeting, the reconciliation meeting that kangaroo meeting, it won't work. So far we are alive and we are warning anti-police that are going around. It not go work.
It not go work.
The meeting of yesterday, they're headed by CPs retired. They don't know what to do with the suffer. Then we are community police. They don't go bribe money collect. Today, all the hotel today, now Bangkok are lodging in the hotel. We have already gathered the report. Only what we needed here is entirely Nigerian police, both serving. Look at them here suffering, and they retired.
We don't want to.
If left with me, I can go home. I'm okay. I'm even better than some retired serving members here. But what we needed is the truth. We are going to make sure federal government should come out us from this is a satanic contributory pension scheme. It's totally unfair, unnecessary, not unified. We declare it null and void. Thank you.
But do you think they will listen to you? The election is coming. They are concentrating on election.
It is even enough election. We will go to the airport. That is the message to Nigerians. We will go. Come out. And come out safely. The plane we go carry the material will have a problem. That's the message because we are ready to die. They say in a situation where you are fighting for a war and you are not ready to die, you are not serious. Are you okay?
Thank
Please tell the world that police serving member, look at them here. They are hungry, they are worried there.
They remove themselves.
Why they remove themselves now?
How much be their salary?
The general in Nigerian army, he carry him boys till the private to retire together. Why did the police now divide themselves? And IG is here, disgracing himself, so they do meeting. Which meeting? With ordinary again. Are you okay? I'm right. Please let the Nigerian police know that we are fighting for them. And we don't agree. That is not the truth of the matter.
Exit the hour.
Total exit.
No going back.
We don't agree. We don't agree. We don't agree. We don't agree. President Tinubu said our bill. We don't agree. We don't agree. President Tinubu said our bill. We don't agree. We don't agree.
President Tinubu said our bill.
We don't agree. We don't agree.
President Tinubu said our bill.
We don't agree. We don't
us. We don't go now here. We don't go now. Same blood move. Why living policemen? Why police? I'm not going to tell you yes. You go to our money. You don't want our money. I don't want to exercise. Give us our money. Give us our money. Give us our money. You don't need this country to give our money. We must not see you. The election is coming. Police have an election. We go to the election. They cannot go from your election to our bill. We will destroy it. We must hand our bill. We must hand our bill. We can't live here. We must get our value. Yes, Koreans here is Shemu. It's a Shemu. Vamos a ter que bukata.
Then they stay, then they give them everything. They are giving them everything. It's very unfair. Coming to freeze, everything is in their room. Present to Sumutu and about to come in intact. Basa wala. School di mana kuasa yara yanzu ba mu da kwanciyar hankali a Nigeria ba a ba ma maza mu cire su a benko cire maza mu wahala ya ishe mu a cire su a cire su a cire maza mu a benko a cire maza mu a benko Abuja because of Wahala, because of somebody. That's why we are standing in the middle of Abuja, in the center of Nigeria. We are standing here so that all of us want to see us. You know that we are suffering, our husbands are suffering, we too are suffering, our children are suffering. The norm is a no. We don't want, it doesn't exist, one doesn't exist. Let them remove us from Pencom. That's why we are here. Let all the CEOs, one world to see us, to know we have tired. We have been doing this in one spot. It's been long. We are doing this. Projects we are doing this, and we have been long. But nobody answering us. Let the people come out and tell us why they don't want to send the bill. Let come and tell us. No, I cannot go to school. You cannot get anything to do. If they are leaving them here, we are suffering. They will die. They will die. We are tired. Let us see it.
From around the nation to every corner of the world, delivering the stories that matter. This is First Next News.